What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we are reviewing the trade that we put on ICON. Now, it was a bit of a funny trade. You can see that here right out of the gate that we actually were flagging out, and we're creating a nice little flag here to trade to get long. For some reason, the markets got really soft. There's a lot of volatility out there, and this flag was not doing what we were liking it or wanting it to do. You can actually see right through here at the apex that it did qualify as a failed flag, and price action, instead of breaking out to the upside and making an attempt at a second leg up, this thing actually in fact faded a little bit and consolidated in this price range for the balance of the day. It wasn't until later on in the afternoon that we actually had a second opportunity to get long, and it was actually I was just simply connecting this trend line resistance using two peaks above moving average and the VWAP, and you can see right through here that I was actually triggered into this trade just through 174, 175, got long, and this thing actually had a nice little punchy run that was relatively quick. It wasn't terribly clean, but you can see right through here that we were given an opportunity to make a little bit of cash on this trade. So again, in at that 175 mark, we were out closer towards the top. There was some weakness right through here, and so as soon as it took a nosedive through its moving averages, we were paring back our position and getting out. But you can see again, because of the way the markets have moving, because of all of the volatility out there, because it's a little bit more of a risk-off trade right now, some of these market movers that we're used to seeing run 50, 60, 70% intraday are sitting on the sidelines, and we're just sort of scalping whatever we can. So today, ICON, late trade, and again, it came as soon as price action flagged its way through the VWAP heading into the close. So we did get into a position 175, took advantage a bit of this power hour, and in through 3 and 4 o'clock, we were getting out of this in this general vicinity as price action was seeing some weakness. So that was ICON, nothing crazy, it's trade by trade, and we're just sort of treading water right now, waiting for the markets to give us some definitive insight as to what it wants to do. If you have any questions about this trade, feel free to email me directly. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and in the description box below, click the link because there is a free gift, and it is the 7 steps that successful traders take before trading. Wildly successful, give you some insight as to what we do to get ourselves prepared for the big trade. Click that link, take us up on that offer, and if you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com.